Welcome to the Tele Radio Academy. Today, we will show you how to register the T60TX-08STL transmitter on the T20RX-02AKL receiver. The receiver can store up to 15 transmitter ID codes. Make sure the batteries have been placed correctly in the transmitter. Connect the receiver to a power supply. Grab the transmitter. Press the receiver function button for approximately 1 second. The red receiver LED lights up. The receiver will stay in registration mode for approximately 6 seconds. Grab the transmitter. Press and hold button 1 to assign button group 1 to 2 automatically to relays 1 to 2 in the receiver. The red receiver LED lights up 3 times. Release the button. The transmitter is now registered. This registration procedure is valid for the following transmitters and receivers: T60TX-ST transmitters, T60T8-5 transmitters, and T20RX-02AK receivers.